Today's top 10 tech stories. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily tech updates. FLOSS Weekly Episode 871. Rust Won't Save You. FLOSS Weekly Episode 871 features host Jonathan chatting with Florian Gilcher about Rust programming language developments and the future of FAIRA systems. The episode is available for streaming on YouTube and download in DRM-free MP3 format. Curveball. Curveball is a curve generator tool for the open-source game Neverball, created to produce complex shapes beyond the capabilities of the existing curve.c tool, written in Rust. It can be used via web browser or as a desktop application, with source code and releases available on GitHub. crustc, entirety of rustc, translated to C. A developer has successfully translated the entire Rust compiler rustc 1.98.0 nightly into 46 million lines of C code, creating a functional compiler buildable with GCC and Make. This project, called crustc, serves as a showcase for the developer's rustc compiler toolchain, cilly, which enables compiling Rust code to C for arbitrary targets. A way to exclude sensitive files issue still open for OpenAI Codex. OpenAI Codex still lacks a feature to exclude sensitive files from processing, despite user feedback and security concerns. The issue remains unresolved as users continue to report session management problems and seek better code security controls. Microsoft has mostly repaired flaw in Surface hardware that allowed unprotected devices to be bricked by a single packet. Microsoft has patched a firmware flaw in Surface devices that could brick hardware with a single packet, though only affecting devices with secure core and secure boot disabled. The vulnerability was accidentally discovered when a Copilot AI-generated script overwrote embedded controller firmware while attempting to adjust screen backlighting. DNS Globe. Rust UI to watch DNS propagate around the world. DNS Globe is a Rust-based terminal user interface tool that monitors DNS propagation globally by querying 34 public DNS resolvers in parallel and displaying results on a world map. It provides real-time visibility into how DNS changes propagate across major networks like Google, Cloudflare, and Quad9, with visual indicators showing resolver status and geographic distribution. Grit. We're writing Git in Rust with agents. A developer has created Grit, a from-scratch Git implementation written in Rust that passes over 99 of Git's comprehensive 42,000 test suite, designed as a library-based alternative to Git's original command line architecture. The project was developed using an agent-based approach inspired by Anthropic's AI compiler experiment. The Rust ecosystem gets an AI security engineer in residence. The Rust Foundation has appointed an AI security engineer in residence to address emerging security threats and bugs discovered by AI-powered developer tools in the Rust ecosystem. Why not a server? It's Xserver, but Rust Y, a new Xserver implementation called a server, written in Rust and released under the MIT license, offers a lightweight alternative to Zorg with support for modern hardware via Vulkan, though it lacks full multi-monitor support and is primarily targeted at Linux with experimental FreeBSD support. It's not me, it's the compiler. A programmer refactored Elixir function in their JavaScript engine, optimizing it for shorter assembly code, but encountered unexpected behavior during parsing that proved the compiler was at fault. Thanks for watching. Like and comment below. See you in the next update.